Calling all viewers of my channel, I have some very disappointing news regarding the YouTube Partner Program. Due to the changes in the new year, the channels now need 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. This really affects my channel, as I know I get around 90% of my views from those who are not subscribed, and I do not have the 1,000 subscribers that I need. I implore anyone who views my videos, likes them or comments them to subscribe to my channel so I do not lose the small amount I get from the monetization of my videos. This is a poor way to treat small time creators, and I'm forced to almost beg for subscribers due to YouTube's actions and changes to what was a perfectly fine program. I apologize for this video. Thank you for your consideration, and please continue to watch my videos.